You're welcome back. This video is for study session 5, computer software. After you must have studied this study session, you should be able to discuss computer software and its importance, explain system software and its types, and you should be able to discuss application software and also its various types. In the last study session, you learned about computer hardware. These hardware are driven by the software. The usefulness of computers depends on the program that are written to manipulate it. Computer software is a set of instructions that enable a computer to perform specific tasks. The computer hardware is driven by the software. The usefulness of the computer depends on the program that are written to manipulate it. Now let's go to the types of computer software. There are two: system software and application software. Now let's take system software. This refers to the suite of programs that facilitates the optimal use of the hardware system and or provide a suitable environment for the writing, editing, debugging, testing, and running of user programs. Or simply put, system software is any program that controls the computer's hardware or can be used to maintain the computer in some way so it runs more efficiently. Now, system software can be further divided into utility software and operating system. Now, let's look at utility software. A utility is a program that makes the computer system easier to use or performs highly specialized functions. Utilities are used to manage disks, troubleshoot hardware, and perform other tasks that the operating system itself may not be able to do. Now, utility software performs the following operations. The first one is file conversion. This covers data transfer from any medium to another, making an exact copy or simultaneously editing and validating. For example, copying document from a hard disk to a diskette. Utility software makes this happen. Then the second operation is file copy. It makes an exact copy of a file from one medium to another, or from an area of a medium to another area of the same medium. Now, the third one is housekeeping operations. These include programs to clear areas of storage, writing file labels, and updating common data. Now, let's look at operating system. An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the user of the computer and the computer hardware. It also serves two basic purposes. One, to control the allocation and use of the system's resources among the various users and tasks. And the second purpose is to provide an interface between the computer hardware and the programmer that simplifies and makes feasible the creation, coding, debugging, and maintenance of application programs. Now, let's look at operating system classification. This can be further divided into three. The first one is batch processing operating system, time-sharing operating system, and real-time operating system. Batch operating system. In a batch operating system environment, users submit jobs to a central place where these jobs are collected into a batch and subsequently placed on an input queue at the computer where they will be run. Then there is this time-sharing operating system. In this environment, the computer provides a computing service to several or many users concurrently online. Then the third one, the third classification, is real-time operating system. The real-time operating systems are designed to service those applications where response time is of essence in order to prevent error. Or even to prevent misrepresentation or even a disaster. Examples of real-time operating systems are those which handle airline reservations, machine tool control, and monitoring of a nuclear power station. Now, application software. Now, I told you a computer software is divided into an application software and system software. We have looked at system software. This is the second one, the application software. Application software is a set of programs designed to solve problems of a specific nature. It could either be supplied by the computer manufacturer, or in some cases, the users produce their own application programs, and it is usually called a user program. Hence, application software could be subdivided into two classes. They are generalized software and user-defined software. Under the generalized software, examples are word processing programs, e.g., Microsoft Word. Another example is desktop publishing. Under this, you can find a PageMaker or CorelDRAW. Also, spreadsheet program, where you can see Excel or Lotus. But under user-defined software, we could have some user-defined packages for a particular company or organization. Let's say for their accounting or their payroll or any other specialized purpose. This is the end of the class. Thank you for listening.